the first one we profited 32K, the second one profited 35K, and it was like, man, even if we get a few of these, a couple of these in a year, I mean, we're going to be able to replace our salaries, no question.
And have
But
more fun, right?
yeah, of course. I mean, that's the part of it, right? Is finding these deals and you know, being able to help people at the end of the day as well. It is
Mhm.
actually really enjoyable and fulfilling.
So, what are you doing now? Are you still so I know you're wholesaling statewide, so you mentioned that. Are you doing the same type, like direct mail, or are you marketing a little differently? Are you still putting stuff on MLS? Are you doing more direct investor?
Yeah, so I mean, you know, a lot of people say mail doesn't work. I mean, mail still works. We get a huge chunk of our deals from mail. We've also done, you know, PPC, so online. We're also doing texting, reaching out to people through text, through launch control. Um, you know, even Zillow, you can find deals for sale by owners. I mean, it's all there. If you know, people say, oh, it's such a competitive market right now, and it is, and Tampa's getting really, really competitive. Um, you know, but at the end of the day, there's still properties out there. You just need to know how to find it. And I think the key is just making offers. You know, I think people don't make offers enough and they don't make them as quickly as they should, especially in this time right now.
Yeah, because if you get a phone call, like one, you gotta answer it.
Oh
Because if
yeah,
you don't answer it, they're calling the next person, and then calling the next
right,
person, then that person
right.
answers it, and like boom, like they get the shot.
Totally.
But you answer it, now you gotta know what you're doing, how to make that offer, how to analyze the deal. Any advice for folks either wanting to get started wholesaling or do it virtually? You know, any thoughts there? And then how can folks get in contact with you?
I mean, I would say you don't need to create and don't overcomplicate it at the end of the day. Wholesaling is just simply the term of buying and selling, you know, with a contract in place, like assigning a contract. So I would just say find a deal that makes sense, know the comps, know the area. If you need to, you know, get help from a realtor or someone else that's, you know, that you trust that can run the comps for you. But I would just say you can do it for free. You can do it for free. You can do it in your spare time. Just don't be scared to make offers. I think that's key, you know, and
Yeah. So, yeah, like what's the kind of the golden rule in real estate? Like,
yeah,
if you're not embarrassed by your offer, you're probably offering too much.
too much. Right,
Worst thing they
exactly.
could say is no, and you just move on to the next one.
You actually
But
want to get a no. You actually want to get a no because that means you know that's you've hit a bottom. So
and that, yeah, that's where the conversation starts.
right, right.
Love it, love it.